New Building Blocks from Skybooks. It is a comprehensive course for the foundational and the preparatory years program. So the course comes for classes nursery to grade 5. Today I am going to open the UKG box. New Building Blocks is a comprehensive course totally aligned with NCF 2022. This comes with interactive resources, digital support, teacher's manual, and assessment sheets. I'll show you what all are the components of this box. Let's open this box. These are the interactive resources complementary with this kit. I'll talk about this later. Let me first show you the books that are a part of this box. So the first book is Literacy Skills. It covers all the elements of the English language. This is a rhyme book that focuses on developing the listening and speaking skills of children. Rhymes are beautifully illustrated and the animated musical videos are also available as digital support. This is the storybook from the kit with beautiful illustrations and age-appropriate stories. These too have animations with voiceovers as a part of digital support. Another component of the English language is phonics. So there is a separate book for phonics in this kit. This book covers all concepts like vowels, consonants, blends, digraphs, and much more, and all that with proper pronunciation through the digital support. Handwriting is very important at this stage, where children are developing their fine motor skills. So the next is the handwriting book. UKG comes with cursive handwriting, whereas LKG comes with print handwriting. You can see the clarity of the fonts. There is a writing practice of different alphabets, both uppercase and lowercase. NCF focuses on building foundational literacy and numeracy skills in children. We have numeracy skills, which covers all the pre-number concepts as well as concepts related to numbers in a simple format. Next is general awareness. This subject is very important for this age group because they learn so many things from their surroundings. In this book, the concepts are beautifully dealt so that the child can relate his real life to the concepts taught in the course. With the main subjects, literacy, numeracy, and general awareness, we have assessment sheets that cover all the core concepts taught. There is a writing space for writing answers, beautiful illustrations, and all the concepts covered in the form of practice worksheets. Last but not the least is the art and craft book that comes with creative activities for children building their aesthetic skills. It is totally an activity-based learning kit, and the important thing is that all the material comes complementary with this book. So the teacher doesn't have to go anywhere and buy things to give it to children. Neither the parents have to worry to arrange the material for the different activities. New Building Blocks course is totally aligned as per NCF that talks about holistic development of the child. How a child can be holistically developed, I'm going to tell you through this interactive resource kit. This comes for all the students in their respective kits. So, all the students in your class will get this interactive resource kit in their box. Now, these are the flashcards that each child will get in his or her box. These are concept-related flashcards that can be used in teaching different concepts or revising them. NCF lays emphasis on making teaching learning enjoyable. It talks about having a few bagless days in a year. The interactive resource kit can be used for the bagless days activities. We have cards related to numeracy. For example, tell the time. We have sorting cards for EVS, English, Maths. Various cards for mathematics sums. Through these cards, we take children from concrete to abstract or from simple to complex. Through these interactivities, learning is made easy for the child and the teaching enjoyable for the teacher. There are different activity cards and flashcards related to environmental studies or general awareness. Another set of activities is in the form of perforated sheets. These can be easily separated by the child. They can make pieces out of it and different games can be played out of this. For example, this is a card related to the concept from EVS. The child has to separate the things that we get from plants and the things that we get from animals to sort them out. Through this, cognition skills are developed in children. The teacher can use these activities in multiple formats. We have mask making activities. Different role play activities can be done using masks and flashcards. Using all these resources covers all the domains of development for this age group. These are perforated story cards. These are again perforated cards, where the child has to make sentences using these words. So different games can be played using these cards. Another form is sticker sheets. Children can easily peel off the stickers. Through these, fine motor skills are developed. We have smiley activities, emojis activities, and lot of activities using sticker sheets. The child can simultaneously develop the cognition skills, fine motor skills, aesthetic skills. So we basically cover all the domains of development, or we can say Panchakosh Vikas as per NCF, using different kinds of activity sheets. Teaching through such activities make teaching learning more interesting and memorable. NCF talks about building the foundational literacy and numeracy skills. Using these kinds of flashcards and activities, a lot of mathematics and literacy activities can be planned out, making holistic learners. Apart from all these, for the teacher support, there are teacher manuals with daily lesson plans, subject-wise, period-wise, that are based on Panchadi by NCF, that is the 5-step learning program. We do provide training sessions for teachers, enabling the teachers to understand how they can make the effective utilization of these materials. New building blocks will make your teaching learning process more enjoyable and more interactive.